Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Davis. Here we're going to show you how to join a Google Meet. So once you've clicked on the link, then you will see a page like this, and you are going to click Join Now. And as people enter, usually you just, unless you're hosting, which as a student you won't do, you don't need that information there. So up in the top is how many people are on the Google Meet. This box right here with the 3 lines inside of it it's kind of like a little dialog box, but it's showing the chat. So I'm the only one here right now, but if there were more people, and maybe I had a question, or maybe the host asked a question or the teacher asked a question and you needed to respond, you could type in your chat to answer their question. Okay, and then love chocolate. So let's just say my answer is chocolate. We don't even know what the question is today. Down here at the bottom, we have some different features as well. And I'm going to hide those tools. So you've got your microphone, and when you want to put yourself on mute, you'll click the microphone. Red means that you are on mute, and even though you might be talking, the other people cannot hear you. And then you can unclick when your teacher or whoever asks you to talk, or if you need to talk, you can unclick, now they can hear you. The red icon right here is actually what an old phone looks like. Most of you are used to cell phones, so you may not recognize that image. But notice if I hover, it says leave call. So you don't want to click that until the meeting is over or if you have to suddenly go. Here is the camera. So if maybe you're having some bandwidth issues and the computer's glitchy, you could always try turning your camera off. So the people on the meet will still hear me, but they won't be able to see my face unless I've already uploaded a picture as I have. Or you can turn the camera back on so that you are viewable. Turning captions on, it can take some time, but it will tell you who's speaking and it will put into words what it is that they are saying. Notice that it kind of goes back and fixes the errors that it has with the speech. So you do have to understand that as you're reading, things could be changing. And it didn't change Azure. It should say as you are reading, but I must have been speaking too quickly. Or you can turn off the closed captions. And then last but not least, maybe you need to show your teacher some of your work, or you're having technical difficulties and you need them to be able to see your screen. You can click Present Now, and you have different features. Most of the time, you're either going to use your entire screen or a window. But once you click on there, you're going to need to actually click the image that shows up. It will be outlined with a slight blue line, and the share button will turn blue. That means that you are sharing your screen, and so you can click, and now you're actually sharing your screen. Okay, so these are all super important things here. All right, and so we're going to go ahead and stop sharing because we no longer need to. Actually, I'm sorry, we should go back real quick if I have enough time, hopefully. So when you're sharing and you see that screen pop up, you are now presenting. Maybe what you needed was to show them something else that you were looking at, such as how to click on their waffle. So those are some different features, but you have to actually go and click on those things and they can still see your screen, okay? So this is a quick tutorial on how to use Google Meets. I hope it helps.